me mo bi akwa eba Melodies TV so and me wo hwa na me hu say President Akufo Addo the presidency account no me nya notification say President Akufo Addo aba live and me say ne Akufo Addo aba live say enye ade a wo be ye fellow Ghanaians inti di nti ana Akufo Addo aba live it me nya notification na me hu so mo atro say family of late President Atta Mill call on Akufo Addo. And I say, Atta Mill ebusuafo. Omo koye den Akufo Addo ho. And why na me hu say say nipa kra wakwa piem e wa Atta Mill sorry. Akufo Addo ho ya say family of Atta Mill na eye Koku Anyidoho. Na Koku Anyidoho ne nkrofo bi e na akọ. Na ho na me say okay. Se Koku Anyidoho akwa kopie wo Akufo Addo ni mu e asemben. Na menkohwe video no ekohwe video na che se Koku Anyidoho kokopie we Akufo Addo enim no asem a wo ka ne se osre Akufo Addo se onye investigations emfa Atta Mill ni wo ne ho na yemfa autopsy report no entuja na Ghana fo ni na enhu de ekum Atta Mill na yenkonko tie na yetie wie ne eba me won sem bebreka na NDC for we ka se Melodies we nya asresem na nya asresem me ndisi for minim ade amoye Koku Anyidoho de Koku Anyidoho osi obetu amoka o sisi awo de Koku Anyidoho aye ene de Koku Anyidoho akopie Akufo Addo enim e ma trese ye stream life ade ya Koku Anyidoho ngo kasa ono de ni hawa wo wiase mu ni na ye Atta Mill ni autopsy Akufo Addo nye no Akufo Addo so de so ono de jata otene baby on cow ena nam o de abre no obere o say sa autopsy no dabi na o say ye autopsy ni na Ghana fo hu ni ahu de ekum Atta Mill di enta na Atta Mill o man panyin bewu na Ghana fo ye nim de ekum no election year yentie de ekosi ye Koku Anyidoho ekoye no yentie.
Honestly, I mean, if they hadn't raised the issue of the autopsy report as family, and a very legitimate family, it was something that I have stayed away from for very good reason, lest I am accused of, entering certain realms. But to answer your question straight away, said there was no autopsy report that anybody saw. Not me, not that I know was presented to anybody officially. And so we've lived with it for 11 years. We've entered the 12th year.
What is being suggested? No autopsy was done, or there was a report which has not been.
That is the question. Honestly and frankly, so I've heard I heard in the early days, one of the siblings, and so Koku Anyidoho doesn't lie. The MP for KE, Samuel Atta Mill, in one of the various radio interviews, obviously trying to shoot down my importance in the whole scheme of things, said that he was given an autopsy report.
Yeah, okay.
How true, how untrue, I don't know. But otherwise, I don't think the Republic itself, and said the man actually passed on as the President of the Republic of Ghana.
Yeah.
And the Republic so buried him. And so if he has that autopsy report,
he should be part
then he should tell us and bring it for us to see.
That's the official documentation.
Yeah, public record.
Yeah. It should be part of the public record. Yeah. All right.
Yes, sir.
Anyway,
yes, sir.
Matty, now we'll have to find out how to proceed on that. But it's a legitimate demand. The family wanting to have.
Akufo Addo de already jata oda ne buomu na otwe waba be shembi obere maza what does we Akufo Addo ka o say we be za otre autopsy report bi eni ho ana na Koku Anyidoho say mate say ni nia aka say ebusuan ne de omo wo autopsy report na Akufo Addo say davi Koku Anyidoho na ka say nipa kro no yesie no state na esie no or your state property na state na esie no inti ni state na sie na I was saying na ye hu autopsy na Akufo Addo say yani it should be part of the public records what you say jata otwe waba beshim obere
someone who died in those circumstances. It's a legitimate demand. So we'll see. See what happens. Yeah. In Chakra, Abu Shabai. It also is, sir. Why? Yeah. The Queen be asking, better make a view. Why?
And you know, that is what is going on. Basically, Koku Anyidoho visiting Koku Anyidoho and supposedly some family members of Atta Mill visiting Akufo Addo. And one of amongst them issues, and they say there is no autopsy report. Anyway, this is what I'm going to say. Koku Anyidoho knows what he's doing. I mean, you can't run or hide away from that. Koku Anyidoho knows what he's doing. Na seni America no minim bonia NDC for aye Koku Anyidoho. Maybe it is something on a deeper level that Ghanaians don't know of. Minim bonia mo dia no. But it looks like Koku Anyidoho is also trying his best. Listen, if you've been following Koku Anyidoho on social media, you know, sometimes some of the fake stories say, yeah, MPP for ebe posti. He doesn't care. He also carries them. He posts it. About a farmer hama hoa or posti. Koku Anyidoho de ni bakra wo turn wo NDC mo pa ya see don't get ya. And de ochi no koko. Eba no wa be posti. Eba sa time na say Dr. Dufo contesting Mahama now if you water Dufo echi. It clearly no he's against the current establishment, the current NDC establishment. Clearly he's against the current NDC establishment. The only person at last me who say Obebo na baso fifi kwete emra fifi kwete be kasa say NDC for engrophobia we NDC mo they have to uplift themselves, they have to see politics na say grow wo ni so ni nyama no em say that time na Koku Anyidoho be support fifi kwete say oh the fifi kwete can enke no but for Koku Anyidoho to pull a move like this Senior American, it is just it's not mere coincidence. For me, I feel that it is a political move against NDC, especially in 2024. Akufo Addo so aka say opeso hwem no. Enye nwanwa say ye betina later ye see autopsy report aba Atta Mill's autopsy report aba. Na afi ye accusing Krofo bi say omo no mukun Atta Mill. Enye but the accusation have been going on. Ye ni ha na prophet Owusu Bempa eba be accuse Mahama. Say Atta Mill ene moja won nsa ho Atta Mill si wo de nti Mahama ntumi ndi president biom ene ono na Owusu Bempa san so asan ne chiaba be ka se o zisia de Mahama betumi di president na Nyankopon apepa boni bia na e ho ne ho obi ananka moja won nsa o si ndi president bio e ba ne sen inti no Ghanaians should not be Ghanaians should not be surprised if they see say 2024 about to ayekotu sa autopsy report will be one of the campaigning issues MPP for be use. Ghanaians should not be surprised because Koku Anyidoho no den asema kwa akoto Akufo Addo enum ene Akufo Addo nso jata obebom ati ase wo hwe response a wo kan obeso tre say into obeso tre say autopsy report bi eni ho ati ase into no ebeba don't worry ebeba you read the comments near here the Ghana for eka I say now that voting is near we know what they are doing into obi asema wo kan say Tiamra voting edru no. I say they can disclose to only his family and then Obi can. I say election year mind games 2024 go be rough. I say but is Koku Anyidoho a family member and also no question Obi bisa. Obi say then he do what? It Obi say into we ni na ye den. I say bring the autopsy report out now. Obi so there no. I say when it is coming, it is doing. Obi say 2024 buga. Obi say the timing is wrong. Obi say why now? I say Koku Anyidoho, he's no family member of the late president, and he's so peeved for being sidelined in the new NDC government. Pains will forever be in your heart, and Mahama will forever reign and move NDC forward. Stay in your place for which Atta Mill brought you to NDC. So be asama wakache Koku Anyidoho no. I say Nanado not fully himself. Is his brother MP, not a family member. Atta Mill was buried by state with the consent of the family. The dead is a property of the family, and not all family members will know what killed the person. Now, interestingly, Ebane saying that Koku Anyidoho and our President Akufo Addo hosti Koku Anyidoho no ultra say family of late President Atta Mill's call on President Akufo Addo. Koku Anyidoho na elidi omo. Nanso Atta Mill's ni nianom ankasa no. They are omonka ho. Cadman Mills. Any Atta Mill's ni nia MP. Emze Koku Anyidoho krabo ni din. Why is it that they are not part? Koku Anyidoho nsem a okache Akufo Addo no kra no say Atta Mills ni nia wo ye MP kra say the family has autopsy. Nanso omu ni. But you are not a family member. And the family is saying they have the autopsy. Who are you to come and tell that family needs some more autopsy? In Ghana for never say you autopsy no. Why? Maybe you see, what if Ebia de Kuno no? Maybe it is something in the family, and they don't want people to know. Say Ebia Ebusiano, you say. Is it by force? Just because the person is a president, it by force say Ebusianfo never autopsy nembrana. Ebusianfo on countless occasions have said that they've seen the autopsy and they are okay with the reports. Have they not said it? They've come out to say it. But for Koku Anyidoho to still be on this course, I say he's still on this course by force. Anyway, whatever Koku Anyidoho wants to get, I hope he gets it. Whatever he wants to see, I hope he sees it. The opeso humbia, the opeso onya. Every Atta Mills wemu and the menkwana and the Atta Mills and the menkwana me Atta Mills no. I pray and hope said the opeso nya biano obenye free na ne ho atono. Mon share my comment box ni mo medasi.